Hey, this is Steve with Coffee Shop Blogger, helping you build a better website. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a WordPress theme. And before I start, make sure you hit the red subscribe button so I can help you create an awesome website. And with that out of the way, let's get started. So if we come over to Appearance and Themes, we can see that I've got my theme here, which is Generate Press, and that's active. And this is what it looks like. I've also got the 2020 theme installed, which I don't need, so I want to delete it. So all we have to do is click on Theme Details, and then we can see in the bottom right corner it says Delete. So just click on Delete, and then it will come up with a box, and you just need to confirm by clicking on OK. And then it will delete that theme, and then we're just left with the one theme that's active. And that is how you delete WordPress themes. Very straightforward. Let me know if this video has helped by clicking on the thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to get notified with my new videos. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.